I stand before you today to share my heartfelt desire to give an extraordinary gift to someone truly special in my life. This gift is none other than a luxurious, once-in-a-lifetime cruise around the world. The lucky recipient of this magnificent gift would be my beloved grandmother. She has been my guiding light, my inspiration, and the pillar of our family's love and strength. Her unwavering support and boundless affection have enriched my life beyond measure. Such a gift does not come without great sacrifice, as it will take considerable time and effort to save enough money for this grand gesture. However, I'm determined to put forth my best effort and dedicate myself to this goal. Why do I wish to give this exceptional gift to my grandmother, you may ask? Well, she has spent her entire life caring for others, putting their needs before her own. Now it is my turn to show her just how much she means to me and our entire family. The cruise would not only allow her to witness breathtaking sights across the globe, but also give her the opportunity to relax and indulge in the joys of life. I believe that this gift would create memories to cherish forever and demonstrate my deep gratitude for her love and sacrifices. Seeing her eyes light up with joy and witnessing her laughter fill the air during this voyage would make every penny saved well worth it. So I embark on this journey of saving diligently, with the sole purpose of making my grandmother's dreams come true. I invite all of you to share in this journey with me and witness the immense happiness that one thoughtful gift can bring to someone who means the world to us. Thank you.